around here. And all the good spots.
Babe, where are we going?
Oh, we're not going. We're already here. Pat got free sushi today from
Free
the
sushi.
casino host. So I came in
sushi.
from the pool area to get some free sushi. Yes.
Free sushi. I'm bringing that menu right, well, now.
Yeah.
So
Well,
we're
if you get two
definitely
rolls,
going to get these.
You got to figure out how much you're spending here, please.
And then I'm going to get
I'm
maybe
getting a
1 or
noodle.
2 rolls of spicy tuna. And that's probably it for me.
I'm going to get a noodle bowl.
Terry's going to get a noodle bowl. All right. You can sit outside, but that doesn't look comfortable to me at all. Yagoy's going to pour my Japanese beer. I've never had Japanese beer before.
She likes it.
We're going to try it. She likes
I
it.
love it. It is super
But,
dry, but it's
and she's from
really
India. She's not Japanese.
Yes, I'm from India, northeastern part.
All right, so
Say
we're going
again.
to try it.
Pat, she goes,
Northeastern part of India.
There's a lot of Asians in India, right?
Yeah.
is there?
Okay, cool.
Yes,
Yeah.
nice. You're so pretty.
We got edamame. Terry got sake. I got Japanese beer. I'm going to stick to that there. All right, so we're going to try it. And we got a boat coming. All right, so our boat has arrived. All right, so we got, what is these, baby? California?
California rolls,
Those are
yeah.
California rolls. These are California rolls, and this is spicy tuna that I like. And this is the salad Terry was worried about if she could eat it all.
And these are the shrimp in different.
Yeah, these are shrimp. That's real sushi, really, to be honest with you. All right, we're gonna see if we can put it away. We'll show you the aftermath shortly. Oh, and I still got some skewers coming
And I got
because
the
Ruthie
bowl.
wanted me to spend the whole $50. And this is a chicken skewer. And that killed the $50. Came to 45 something. Update, we're getting there. We're about 10 minutes in. Now, I'm telling you right now, these chicken kebabs, they're not deep fried, they're grilled, are excellent. I mean, really
They're my
good.
favorite.
They are our favorite. Although I do love the sushi.
Ah.
What did you say?
I said, the sushi's okay, but those chicken skewers, delicious. Now my noodle bowl's coming. We still got my noodle bowl.
Oh, and the Japanese beer. Eh. All right, what'd you get, babe?
The chicken noodle bowl.
Oh boy. She's not gonna eat it with a fork.
I have a spoon.
Yeah, this spoon. Big spoon. All right, so here's the aftermath. Someone didn't eat all theirs. I ate all mine, all the sushi.
This.
She ate her soup. And I'm killing these off right now. And the chicken's already gone. I think we're gonna
Your
skip.
salad.
I think we're gonna skip dinner.
How about your salad?
What do you think, babe? We're
What
gonna
about your
skip dinner.
salad?
And to top it all off, she brought us a dessert that we didn't really want, but
No, we want it. We do want this. She added it to our order.
I know she's trying to spend every dime of it, and I think she did. All right, I'll try a bite of it. It's probably full of fat.
We're not going. We're already here at dinner, sitting down, getting our menus, and we're ready to eat.
It's our last din of the cruise.
We're ready to eat.
All right, we'll bring you that menu right about
Now.
Terry got fried green tomatoes and cocktail shrimp that she really got for
Shrimp
me.
cocktail.
And then I got minestrone, and there should be another one coming soon. My second soup showed up, and then my Caesar salad. What did you get?
I got a cheeseburger and fries.
You call that a cheeseburger? Put your hand
favorite.
over it.
I love it.
It's like the tea
Good.
lady. All right, so that's off the kids' menu. I got the jerk pork chop, and it looks yummy. Sure for dessert if
Good evening, Carnival Vista
bigger
family.
piece
Hello.
of cake.
I said hello. Dear guests, we
Makes the
started the
laughs,
cruise
yeah.
like this and we're gonna end up like this. We will not say.
All your bags are packed and ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and say goodbye. We have done our best to serve you this cruise. We have danced for you and make you smile. Forever we're so lonesome we could cry. Oh, we think of you in every song we sing for you. We
Babe, where are we going?
We're going to the Love and Marriage show, and I get me a Diet Coke, and it's cold in here.
A Diet Coke.
It's cold.
All right, we're going to Love and Marriage Show.
Here
We'll
we
bring
go.
it to you.
Have fun.
All right, good luck on that.
Good luck. Bye-bye.
Give it up for couple number one right there. Coming over to you, my dear. What was your name?
Giovanna,
Giovanna, where are you two from?
North Carolina, Charlotte.
Charlotte, North Carolina. 6 years of marriage on this stage, everybody. Stacy, stand up. You tired him out? It's only been 1,000. But before I let you...
There he goes. Sandisa.
Either side. Okay. It's a rebel at the worst. Okay. Alright.
All right, here we are.
Last night on the cruise,
Yep.
and we just came from the Love and Marriage show, and was so funny. We laughed our butts off. All couples were funny. All three couples.
It was funny.
But now we're closing out with, guess
Yep.
what?
Chocolate martini, baby.
Chocolate martini.
And look, we're still on the show.
Oh, they're kicking
We're
us
getting
out
ready-
now, though.
they're
We
getting
gotta
ready to run
drink
us out.
up. But here we go. We're going, and then we're already packed, so we're leaving first thing in the morning.
Yep.
But it was been a great cruise. We had lots of fun with my lovey. We had a good time.
All right, so the next one up is, I always say the 12th,
Paradise.
but it's Paradise
May 17th.
on May 17th.
Got it.
So a little bit over a week. So we'll
Cheers,
see you
y'all.
then. All right, see you on the next one.
Party and two cruising right this way.
Bye-bye.